Hi everybody. You can hear me better now. Everybody remembers my assistant Carrie. I'm Doug.
Hi.
I know we goof around a lot and we try and make fun. I don't even know who watches these videos, but the thing is, one time I would really love for you guys to like and share this because this is important. I think it's ridiculous that the boat ramps and marinas are closed in Broward, Dade, and Miami. Boating, by the definition, is isolation. And I think it's important that everybody gets out of the house because everybody's going stir crazy and go out and have fun on a boat. I mean, there's literally zero chance if you go to Boca Chica for the day, anchor out and let the kids snorkel and stuff, that you're going to get infected by the virus. We need to get this ban lifted, not in 2, 3 weeks or 4 weeks. We need to get it lifted now. Anybody who can share this to get the word out that we are responsible boaters, we understand what we can and can't do. Now, I understand how this whole thing started. Everybody started going nuts at the sandbars. So why don't we just ban the sandbars, open up the boat ramps, open up the marinas to get gas. I get gas in my car all the time. I mean, fuel docks for boats, it's not exactly a big social area that everybody hangs out. It's a very quiet area. We need to get the word out that we're responsible people, that we can handle this, and then when we're out there, we have to do the same thing and handle it. I think the most important thing is get people out of the house on safe activities. And I am sorry, but boating with your family that's been in the house, you get in the car, you launch the boat, you're out all day, and you come back to the house, that's a safe activity. There's zero chance of getting infected, zero. We need to let the people who are in charge of this know that we can handle this, all right? It's not on a government level, it's on a county level, and we need to get the word out. Did I forget anything?
I don't think so.
All right, so please like and share this. Let's get the word out. By the way, we need to get yachting, I'm talking about professional yachting, back on track. And just having these little boats out there is going to generate business for the mechanics and everybody. Because you know what? I want everybody to go out on their boat and break stuff. Last time I had an engine work done on my little boat, I don't even have to be there. It's not like I have to hand the mechanic tools. He shows up when I'm not there. Total social distancing. We can totally make this happen. So help us get the word out. Thank you very much. All right?
Bye.